Hi! If you're seeking an advanced anomaly detection solution, you're in the right place. I'm here to introduce MRX-ray, a comprehensive industrial equipment and process management solution that utilizes artificial intelligence technology to detect anomalies and predict failures in critical industrial facilities. Let's get started right away. In recent years, AI has demonstrated remarkable success in various aspects of our lives. However, based on our experience with diverse AI projects over the past 5 years, we've observed that many manufacturing and industrial companies are encountering significant challenges when it comes to adopting artificial intelligence. The complexities in introducing AI into industrial sectors can be attributed to several factors. First and foremost, the specificity of the industry poses a considerable challenge. To develop practical AI models, a substantial amount of refined data is essential. However, in industrial settings, data can only be sourced from specific equipment and processes, with limited opportunities for reusing data from other sources. Additionally, a comprehensive understanding of industrial data requires not only advanced AI model development capabilities, but also a profound knowledge of the industry domain. Furthermore, there's a noteworthy aspect concerning the substantial time and resources required for AI adoption. Typically, AI projects involve a prolonged and nonlinear development process spanning 12 stages, requiring iterative experiments. Consequently, skilled data scientists face the challenge of investing a significant amount of time in a single project. Finally, the financial aspect is significant. Due to the specificity of the data, the protracted development period, and the necessity for skilled personnel, each AI project demands a minimum cost of $200,000. These challenges underline the intricate nature of integrating AI solutions into the industrial landscape, where tailored approaches and considerations are crucial for successful implementation. At MRX, we understand the hurdles industries face in adopting AI solutions. That's why we've crafted MRX-ray, an artificial intelligence solution designed to tackle these challenges head-on. Drawing from our experience in executing various AI projects across industries like automotive, semiconductor, chemical, and manufacturing, MRX-ray is our field-validated, all-encompassing industrial equipment management solution. This means you can quickly integrate it on-site, keeping costs to a minimum. We've been in the trenches, and MRX-ray is our answer to making AI work seamlessly in real-world industrial settings. In MRX-ray, our cloud-based solution, we've integrated MRX's proprietary MLOps platform. This means our customers can effortlessly operate AI models and comprehensively manage multiple pieces of equipment through a web-based dashboard without the need to separately set up a machine learning operating environment. By simply transmitting diagnostic data from their existing equipment through predefined data interfaces, customers can minimize deployment and setup times, enabling swift on-site utilization of AI models. For rotating machinery like motor conveyor belts, where data might not be readily available, we also provide vibration sensors for efficient data collection. Through a user-friendly web-based interface, users can easily register multiple pieces of equipment and monitor the collected data seamlessly. Operational engineers can familiarize themselves with equipment data through an effective data monitoring system, checking equipment data whenever needed. Moreover, they can quickly and easily verify anomaly scores to determine any irregularities. The solution promptly sends early warning alerts for anomaly detection, ensuring registered users can promptly identify and address issues. Beyond anomaly events, the system records and manages regular and irregular events such as maintenance and downtime, enabling the refinement and enhancement of the anomaly detection model. Let's now explore a unique aspect of MRX-ray. When early warning signs emerge, the system goes beyond conventional approaches by pinpointing the top 10 contributing input variables to the anomaly and detailing their individual impact. This comprehensive report is automatically dispatched to on-site engineers daily at a scheduled time, facilitating equipment checks and enhancing operational planning. This distinctive feature is meticulously crafted to deliver profound insights, empowering effective decision-making. Let me introduce a case where MRX-ray was applied to a CO2 laser drill. A semiconductor component manufacturer was facing frequent production support issues due to unpredictable failures in the crucial component of their equipment, the major pulsar. By applying MRX-ray based on data collected from the laser drill, they were able to detect faults in real time, analyze the root causes, and even predict anomalies 1 month in advance. While initially implemented on 3 pieces of equipment in the project's early stages, MRX-ray has since been expanded to cover 10 units. This successful case exemplifies how MRX-ray can bring about real-time fault detection, root cause analysis, and predictive maintenance, providing valuable insights for industries dealing with intricate equipment like CO2 laser drills. Until now, I've provided a brief overview of MRX-ray, our comprehensive solution for industrial equipment management. If you're keen on rapidly integrating an AI solution into your live production environment, validating the efficacy of your existing data, and facing challenges in setting up a dedicated development team, don't hesitate to get in touch with McKean-Rocks. We are here to transform the uncertainties in your industry into tangible business value. Thanks for watching.